Whether you need temporary storage, additional space for your business operations, or a flexible solution for events, our warehouse tents are the perfect choice. Our 5-meter high warehouse tents provide ample vertical space, making them ideal for storing large equipment or creating spacious working environments. Sandwich wall insulation provides better storage environment. Our 12-meter span door tents provide spacious, unobstructed space for extra long cargo or multiple transport machines to be transported side by side. Our long-eave warehouse tents offer extended sheltered areas and come with wind-resistant electric roll-up doors, making them ideal for loading and unloading, protecting your cargo from the elements. Durable and built to blend seamlessly into the outdoors, our military storage tents come in green and camouflage, making them perfect for field operations or concealed storage. In addition, we have a wide range of accessories too. Helps you create better storage conditions. Customize your warehouse tent with our range of accessories, such as roll-up doors, high-speed doors, exhaust fans, etc. From small businesses to large industrial applications, we have a warehouse tent solution tailored to your needs.